Building a business and building a brand is the hardest thing that you will ever do, but it is also the greatest personal development journey you will ever go on. You constantly have to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You constantly have to do things that scare you. You constantly have to be open to failing and getting things wrong and be on a continuous learning journey. That takes guts and it's hard. Once you get to a place where you have built something that you never ever imagined that you could ever do, honestly, the most incredible feeling. It is just amazing.